Start by uploading a front-facing photo of your piece. Then tap on the AI Idea Generator button for inspo. It might throw some weird ones at you at first. Just downvote the ones you don't like, upvote the ones you like, and keep pressing that idea button. The AI will learn to create more suitable ideas. When you find a finish you like, you can tap Start Project. Here we can customize the hardware and colors. First, let's use the eraser tool to get rid of this wacko-generated hardware. Then we can tap Paint to try different colors. Toggle on color and then tap on Active. Tap on the button at the top to choose any color from a photo. Then go back to brush mode and paint on your layer. See if you like it and try more colors. Once you paint on your layer, you just have to select a new color and the entire layer will automatically change. Tap Add to try new hardware. You can choose from our library or add your own from a photo. Tap Auto Select to remove the background. Then you can rotate, resize, and move it into place. Then just copy over to the other drawers. And you can keep trying colors by tapping on Paint and then selecting different colors to see everything together with the hardware. Here's the before and the mock-up.